When you want to cook something, you try to find its recipe in a cookbook or on the internet. An example is a chocolate cake, and in the recipe, you will find its key ingredients. The key components of chocolate cake are cocoa powder, flour, egg, baking powder, vanilla, and milk. Just like recipes of cakes that have key ingredients, financial freedom also has one. To achieve financial freedom, you must know the essential factors you need and consider. They are the key ingredients because they will significantly contribute to your goals. Achieving financial success is no easy job. Just like what we always say, no one gets rich overnight. But having a recipe or guide to follow will make it a lot easier. So, what are the key ingredients for the recipe of financial success?
Pennywise, the channel focuses on exploring wealth and increasing savings through life-changing practices about personal finance, money earning and management tips, avoiding hoaxes, and so much more. Our goal is to equip you with a penny-wise mindset through your journey to fund and help you experience the life you desire. So please join us on this exciting adventure by clicking the subscribe button below.
Ingredient number one: work, work, work. The most common way for people to earn a living is by working. Applying for a 9 to 5 job while sitting at that desk the whole day. However, the problem is people work for the sake of money and not because they do not love it. When you want to start working, it is much better to ensure that you are doing what you want or love. When you begin working for money only, you will not reach financial success any sooner. Make sure to work for something you love and want first, and you can think about the money second. When you do something you do not love, you will be less efficient, with less efficiency and thus lower income. Start working on something you love, and the rewards will follow through. Not only that you will be more efficient, but you will be able to make a name for yourself. You will be more valuable when you work hard and be motivated. A good resume will result in better job opportunities and higher salaries. When you know you have value, opportunities will come for you without you even pursuing them. Ingredient number two: partner working with side hustles. When you have extra time, go for the side hustles. Even when you feel you are earning enough, you should still proceed to find additional income. The goal here is to maximize your earning capabilities. Make sure that your side hustle will not affect your primary job. Start with something simple like a hobby. For example, if you like painting, go for doing commissioned portraits. You are doing what you enjoy while earning more money. Today, there are so many ways to earn. You just need to find something that interests you. Try searching on the web or asking your friends and family. Ingredient number three: invest. Speaking of maximizing your earning capabilities, you should try investing. You can earn money 24/7 or without moving a finger. The reason why you should invest is to keep up with inflation. Inflation eats up your money's value slowly. Your $5,000 in the bank would not be $5,000 in the next year. You must invest the extra money you will have. Remember the side hustle? That is a good source of funds for investing. Your extra money will make more money. It is important to note that you should not make an all-in bet on investing. You may ask, when is the best time to invest? The best time to invest is now. The earlier, the better. You can invest your money in different ways: businesses, the stock market, and real estate. Most of the time, these grow your money. However, it is essential that you study and manage the risk, and if you need help, approach a financial advisor. Ingredient number 4, prioritize saving. Instead of wasting those small amounts of money on useless things, how about you start putting them in your savings account? You do not need to worry if you start saving in small amounts. The important thing is you initiated the act of saving. No one will judge you if you come to the bank and deposit $5 or $10. It is the thought that matters. Eventually, it will pile up into a significant amount without you noticing it. Saving will help you in many ways. Like, it can help you prepare for a big spending. Another is to prepare for an emergency fund. You should have at least 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. This will help you if you lose your job or someone in the family gets sick. With technological advancements, you can let your banking account do the transfers. You can set your salary account to send money directly to your savings account every 15th and 30th of the month. This way, it is assumed that you have already saved up some of your hard-earned cash even before seeing it. Number 5, use your money wisely. Like the name of our channel, Penny Wise, you should be wise with your penny. That includes being thrifty. Being thrifty is also caring for your future or being prudent. Lessen your bad spending habits. Actually, not lessen, eliminate it. Once you can practice being thrifty, you will realize the value of money and the hard work you put into it. The best partner for being thrifty is budgeting. Budget and allocate your essential monthly expenses. This way, you will know how much money is coming in and out. It will help you prevent overspending. It is okay to treat yourself to something good like fine dining. Just learn the word control. Ingredient number 6. Basic necessities first. Multiplying your money is indeed necessary, but prioritize paying off your necessities. Before investing your money in the stock market or a business, ensure you will have electricity the next day, or you can have 3 meals a day. Nothing is more important than your living needs. Imagine trying to work without any lights in your house because your electricity was cut off. For you to achieve financial success, you should be well fit, mentally and physically. And that means being able to eat proper meals and have a comfortable home. As always, Pennywise is always here when you feel lost on the track. If you want to learn more about finances, consider subscribing by clicking the big red button below and ringing the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Feel free to like and comment your thoughts so we'll know your feedback. Thanks for tuning in and see you again in our next video.